Hey, what's up, you guys? So, quick recap on my 2 weeks over the road. I did some calculations, and turns out I made a little bit over 13,000 in 2 weeks. So I'm pretty pumped about that. My first week was a lot more busy than my second week. So I guess once you make a certain amount, you kind of want to make that amount or more. So it was it sucked that I didn't make as much the second week as I did the first week. But still, 13,000 in 2 weeks. I don't really, see a lot of industries where you could just start off and hit the road, and with the help of either somebody or knowledge of somebody else, you can make a lot of money because you can make a lot of mistakes. But if you learn, and learn, try not to be so desperate. Things turn out in you get better results, I guess you would say. Things turn out for the best. So, I mean, just follow my journey. You guys will learn. So hopefully, we can all make some money.